Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cannoli cake. First, select a yellow or vanilla cake mix to create your delicious base. You'll need to prepare two 8-inch cake layers, following the package instructions carefully. Once baked, it's crucial to let these layers cool completely on a wire rack. This step ensures your cake will hold its shape beautifully when you begin assembling it. Now, let's create that irresistible cannoli filling. In a large bowl, combine 2 pounds of whole milk ricotta cheese with 1 cup of powdered sugar. Stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips. Mix until everything is well combined and creamy. Then, cover the bowl and chill the filling in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps it firm up perfectly. It's time to assemble your masterpiece. Place 1 cooled cake layer onto your chosen serving plate. Evenly spread half of your chilled cannoli filling over this layer. Carefully place the second cake layer on top, then spread the remaining filling over it. Finally, frost the entire cake with a smooth, delicious cream cheese frosting, ensuring all sides are covered for a polished look. To add those delightful finishing touches, garnish the top of your cake. You can use crushed cannoli shells, mini chocolate chips, or elegant chocolate shavings for a beautiful presentation. Once decorated, refrigerate the entire cake for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld and the cake to set perfectly. Serve chilled slices and enjoy your homemade cannoli cake.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.